This is our hand sweep door control sensor remote controller. This is compatible with the RC Wi-Fi RW1 receiver. This is where you have the circuit and your LED strip. This is the sensor itself. It comes with a holding bracket as well that you can either screw on or use adhesive to attach to the surface. If you unscrew the back panel, this is where the battery is located and also the setting key that is required to change the settings of the sensor. This is a hand sweep and a door control sensor, so it has a 2-in-1 function. Once you have the battery inserted, to pair this to the receiver, if you short press the match key on the receiver and then short press the setting key on the sensor, the LED indicator will flash and the pairing has been successful. You can then pop the backing back on. This has 3 sensor switch modes. You have dimmable hand sweep, non-dimmable hand sweep and door control. It's battery powered and you can apply it to cabinets, closet, wine racks, anywhere where you need the sensor located. Once you have power to the circuit and the battery is inserted, this is set on the dimmable hand sweep mode, which is the default setting. You can see when I swipe my hand in the sensor range, the LED will turn on and off. As it's the dimmable setting, if you hold your hand in front of it for more than 2 seconds, it will then dim down the LEDs. And then again, if you hold it over, it will then dim the LEDs back up to full brightness. To switch between the modes, if you take the back off the sensor again, you long press the setting button for 2 seconds and the LED indicator will flash either 1, 2 or 3 times to indicate the setting selected, and they go through in sequence from dimmable hand, non-dimmable hand to door control. As I said, the default working is dimmable hand sweep. I'm now going to set it to the door control. So you can see when I hold it down for 2 seconds, there's a little red LED indicator that will flash 3 times, and that will be on the door control. So this can be in a cabinet, in a wardrobe, anywhere where a door is going to open. So when the door is shut, the LEDs are off, and then when the door is opened, the LEDs turn on. This has no dimming function, it will just be the LEDs are on or off. To unpair the sensor from the receiver, you just need to hold down the match key on the receiver for 5 seconds.